Hello everyone, welcome to Openphone. So what is this tool? Well, this tool allows us to bring an entire team together behind one phone number and centralize everything, okay? Basically, through one number we can receive messages, calls, etc. and have a whole team like a company managing that phone. Of course, it includes contact management, analytics, activity tracking, history, and more. So it's really useful for businesses and organizations. It also lets us connect with customers, right? Make calls and send messages. Plus, it has a basic CRM for storing details like emails or phone numbers that we want to save for future contact. We have filters to sort calls, set priorities, and all the typical CRM features. So let's hit try for free. We'll click continue with Google. Here they'll ask what we want it for, okay? Business name, size, who'll use it, and so on. There we go. Here they'll ask for our number and details. I'm not sure if, well, look, there you have it. Openphone will give us a new number when we start, so don't worry, alright? It's just to verify who we are, that's all. Let's check the pricing, as using it isn't hard at all. So let's look at the pricing. It starts at $15 a month. Okay, $23 a month. Well, $15 a month. Let's see all plans. A phone, API, voicemail, transcripts, etc. For $23 a month, we get group calls, AI, summarizing, and transcription. Not bad at all. Phone menu, analytics, basically $23 is what you pay if you're a team. Without annual plan, monthly cost goes up $10 from $23 to $33. Then there's the scale plan at $35 with AI calls, tags, call routing, coming soon, support, priority chat, and ticket support. Basically, it offers more platform support. So there you have it. Let's also take a quick look at the reviews, which I've checked and look quite promising. We see Openphone's 4.2 rating and very few negative reviews, okay? 1 star and, well, some people. They charged me $420 to try a trial. They didn't refund me after I contacted them hours later. Their customer service takes days or weeks to respond. It's true they replied on April 16th and he answered on the 22nd. So he's not telling the truth. Look, April 9th and 22nd. It's true about customer service. They admit it themselves, right? If you want it, you have to pay. Anyway, this guy probably paid for the $420 plan and, yeah, the $420 plan, and they've ignored him, right? Well, that's something to keep in mind, isn't it? Maybe the highest tier plan isn't worth it. They deactivated my account. Here they did respond to the person on the same day. Look, great system, terrible support. Basically, don't pay for the support section at all. That's my advice based on complaints. Sure, we'll see 5-star reviews too, which are 73% of them praising the staff. I'm not saying that's not true.